Hello everyone, welcome to the Odoo Hotel Management application. In this video, we will quickly learn how to integrate an POS order to any booking. So first, go to the Hotel Management application and create a booking. Open the reservation menu, click on New button and select a guest, add a room, fill the check-in check-out dates, add a room type, add a room number, give a short description and confirm the booking. Checked into the room. Now go to the main menu and open the POS module. Click on any shops. Now open a new POS session. Add the items into the cart and here a link to booking button will be visible. Click on the button and a pop-up will appear. Here we can filter out the bookings based on two options, first guest and second room. Click on the room radio button and search for the room we have created booking for. Click on the room number. Now click on view. Here all the bookings for that room will be visible. As we have created booking for the customer Alex, so click on Alex. Now the previous order will successfully link to the booking 247. Click on OK and the previous or a new POS session will automatically be open. Now click on back. Go to the main menu and again open Hotel Management application. Now go to the booking we have created earlier and a smart button in the middle of the header will appear. Open the button and a list view will open with all the POS orders integrated with that booking. Open the first booking and here you can see the POS order. Here we can also make the payment.